What you driving?
A big machine.
What kind of machine?
I'm driving a machine.
What sort of machine is it? A tractor?
Are you driving a machine?
Are a farm machine.
That belongs to the farm. This farm that the people sit in, and they have machines here.
What kinds of things would they do with this machine?
The ometers. The tachometer.
There's a tachometer. Let's check it out.
Are you checking the machine ometer?
Nice tachometer, Farmer Max.